morning students, welcome back to Sheba online class. Today we will continue the same first chapter and move on the heading consistency of system of linear equations by rank method. Okay, for this one theorem is given, Lewis-Capri theorem without proof. This theorem says first write the system of linear equation into matrix form. Matrix form is Ax equal to B. Our A is coefficient matrix, X is variable, and B is the equal to probability. Okay. Next, if it is consistent, this Ax equal to B is consistent if and only if row of A equal to row of A slash B. Row means rank. Rank of the coefficient matrix is equal to rank of the augmented matrix. Augmented matrix is A slash B. So, rendu equal this is consistent. Okay. From this theorem we conclude three cases for test of consistency. Test of consistency, three cases. First case, if row of A equal to row of A slash B. That means coefficient matrix and augmented matrix rank equal is equal to 3. 3 is the highest one. 3 means 3 variables find out value of 3 variables find out. So 3 is the example. Suppose 3 equal to 3 our system is consistent. Equal is consistent. And equal to number of unknowns. Unknowns, variables and the same number has unique solutions. Okay. Next, if row of A equal to row of A plus B, but this is equal to 2, that means less than 3. 3 விட கொஞ்சம் கம்மியா இருக்குது அப்படினா rank வந்து 2 equal அப்படினாவே consistent and less than 3 means has infinitely many solutions. So if the rank is 2, 2 எப்ப நம்ம சொல்லுவோம்? 2 rows are non-zero. The third one 0 0 இருக்கும். 2 rows மட்டும் non-zero இருக்கும். Some element ஏதோ இருக்குன்னு வெச்சுக்கோங்க. அப்போ நாம வந்து rank 2 னு சொல்லுவோம். ஓகே. அப்ப நமக்கு என்ன கிடைக்கும்னா 2 equations மட்டும் தான் கிடைக்கும். So in this case we get only 2 non-trivial equations. நமக்கு வந்து 3 equation இருந்தாதான் 3 variable values find out பண்ண முடியும். For compensating this, we assume the third variable z equal to some parameter t. நம்மளே assume பண்ணிக்கிறோம். ஒரு நியூவா ஒரு equation z equal to t அப்படி ஒரு fix பண்ணி வச்சிருக்கோம். t is the real number னு சொல்றாங்க. இப்போ நமக்கு 3 equations கிடைக்கும். இந்த நான் ஜீரோல ஒரு 2 equations plus z equal to t third equation இருக்கு. அதுக்கு அப்புறம் சால்வ் பண்ணலாம். ஓகேவா? சால்வ் பண்ணிட்டு இப்போ ஒரு தடவை ஒரு பாராமீட்டரை நம்ம யூஸ் பண்றதுனால இந்த சொல்யூஷன் ஃபார்ம் one parameter family solution. One parameter family solution. Okay, ஒரு பாராமீட்டர் யூஸ் பண்ணா one parameter family solution. Next, suppose row of A equal to row of AB is equal to 1. 1 is the 3 விட 2 minus ஆயிருக்கு. So 2 minus ஆயிருக்குன்னா here in this case we get only one non-trivial equation. ஒரு equation தான் கிடைக்கும். So to compensate here we using two substitution, that is z equal to t and y is equal to s. இந்த மாதிரி ரெண்டு அசைன் பண்ண போறோம். அப்போ நமக்கு மூணு equation கிடைக்கும். In this case the solution form 2 parameter family solution. 2 parameter family solution சொல்லுவாங்க. இப்போ z க்கு y க்கு நம்ம புதுசா ரெண்டு பாராமீட்டரை அஸ்யூம் பண்ணும்போது that is called 2 parameter solution. ஒரு parameter assume பண்ணோம்னா ஒரு parameter family solution. Okay. The last case is if it is not equal, the rank is not equal, means it is inconsistent and has no solution. Okay. Let us see exercise number 1.6. Test for consistency. If possible, solve the equations. Okay. First sum is this. This is a test for consistency. Test of consistency we are having 3 cases. So we find this system of equation belongs to which case? In the case that we find this one. Listen. First write the given equations. And how many unknowns are there? The number of unknowns is x, y, and z. There are 3 variables. So the number of unknowns is 3. So this is our n. Okay. Next, we rewrite this in the matrix form. First write the matrix form. Matrix form of the system of equations becomes 1, minus 1, 2. First write the coefficients only. 2, 1, 4. 4 minus 1, 1. Into the variable, and it is equal to b. B is this 2, 7, 4. So this is of the form Ax equal to b. Okay. Where what is A? A is this coefficient matrix 1 minus 1 2, 2 1 4, 4 minus 1 1, and x is equal to x, y, z, and b is equal to 2 7 4. Okay. Next is solution of this equation Ax equal to b is x is equal to A inverse b. X is equal to A inverse b. Okay. Next we have to write. So first write the augmented matrix. Okay. The augmented matrix is A slash B. Okay. Augmented matrix find out. Listen, A is this and B is this. Okay. A 1 minus 1 2 2 1 4 4 minus 1 1 slash 2 7 4. This is our augmented matrix. A and B augment பண்ணி வச்சிருக்கோம். Next we change this matrix into echelon form. Echelon form transfer பண்றதுக்கு we need elementary transformation, elementary row operations. This is we already know very well how to form the echelon form, how to find the rank. We are using those two here also. Rank கண்டுபிடிக்கிறது and echelon form find out பண்றது ரெண்டுமே இங்க யூஸ் பண்ண போறோம். Then first A11 இருக்கு. So next we have to change these two elements as 0 0. Okay. இது ரெண்டு 0 0 மேக் பண்ண போறோம். Then R2 gives R2 minus 2 into R1. Okay, இப்போ இது 2 ஆல மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணும்போது 2 வரும். So சப்ட்ராக்ட் பண்ணும்போது 0 வரும். Similarly R3 gives out R3 minus 4R1. இங்கே நமக்கு வந்து என்ன வரும் 0 வரும். Okay. First row ல எந்த changes கிடையாது. So write the first row as it is. Okay, in the second row ல நம்ம என்ன பண்றோம் R2 minus 2R1. We are doing the rough column here. R2 gives out R2 minus 2R1. So R2, write R2 first. 2 1 4 minus 2 times R1. R1 is 1 minus 1 2. The last one is 7 minus 2 into 2. So 4 elements we will do. 2 1 4 7 and 1 minus 1 2 2. This is equal to what? 2 minus 2 0. 1 plus 2 is 3. And 4 minus 4 0. 7 minus 4 is 3. So our second row is this 0 3 0 3. And third row is R3 minus 4R1. R3 minus 4R1. So first write R3. R3 is what? 4 minus 1, 1 and 4 minus 4 into right R1. 1 minus 1, 2, 2. So we get 4 minus 4, 0. Minus 1 plus 4. Minus 1 plus 4 is 3. And 1 minus 4 is 8. Minus 7. And 4 minus 8. Minus 4. So our R3 becomes 0, 3, minus 7, minus 4. Okay. Understood this? Next we make this as 0. In the element 0 for echelon form, we need this as 0. Okay. The 0 apna முன்னாடி இருக்கிற எலிமெண்ட்ல பாருங்க 3 இருக்கு. So if we subtract from this we get 0. So அதுல subtract பண்ணினா போதும். R3 gives out R3 minus R2. Now you get the 0 in this place. So first R3 la the changes irukku. So write R1 and R2 as it is. 1 minus 1 2 and 2 and 0 3 0 3. The next step subtracting R3 minus R2. 0 minus 0, 3 minus 3 and minus 7 minus 0 and minus 4 minus 3. So minus 7. Okay. Now listen R2 and R3. This is multiples of 3 and this is multiples of 7. So R2 நம்ம என்ன பண்றோம்? R2 divided by 3 and R3 gives R3 divided by minus 7. So we get 1 minus 1 2. So first row changes கிடையாது. Only R2 R3 change. So 0 divided by 3 we get 1. Here 0, here 1. Similarly 0 0 1 and 1. Okay. This is our row echelon form. Okay, this is our row echelon form. இதுக்கு அப்புறம் இத 0 பண்ண முடியுதான்னு செக் பண்ணி பார்க்கணும். சோ 1 ல இருந்து மைனஸ் பண்ணா நமக்கு 0 வரும். 1 தான் இருக்கும். சோ இதுக்கு அப்புறம் பண்ண முடியாது. இதோட ஸ்டாப் பண்ணிட்டு நம்ம என்ன பண்றோம்? And also we are having 3 non-zero rows. 3 rows மே நம்பர் இருக்கு. சோ 3 non-zero rows இருக்கிறதுனால இதுல இருந்து நம்ம ரேங்க் ஃபைண்ட் அவுட் பண்ண போறோம். Consider first 3 columns. First 3 columns வந்து matrix A. 4 இதையும் கம்பைன் பண்ணி எழுதணும்னா அது வந்து A/B. Okay, first 3 ல 3 rows are non-zero. Non-zero rows 3 இருக்கு. So rank is 3. Therefore row of A is 3. Also row of A/B. A/B na consider 4 columns. 4 columns எல்லாமே எப்படி கன்சிடர் பண்றோம்? அதுல வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா உங்களுக்கு எல்லாமே என்னது 3 non-zero rows வருது. So this is also 3. Rank of A/B also 3. ரெண்டுமே சேம் ஆகுது. And row of A equal to row of AB. This is 3. This is our number of unknowns. Number of unknowns நமக்கு வந்து 3 தான். So okay, நமக்கு 3 தான் கிடைச்சிருக்கு. அந்த 3 கேसेसல பாத்தீங்கன்னா ஈக்குவலா இருந்தா it is consistent. Okay, this equal means therefore the system of equation is consistent. System is consistent and equal to 3 number of unknowns. So it has unique solution and has unique solution. Okay. Next, from the row echelon form, we have to write the equivalent equations. Writing equivalent equations. From first row, we get x minus y plus 2z equal to 2. And in the second, this is x coefficient and this is y coefficient. So y is there, z is 0. So y மட்டும் போட்டினா போதும். Y is equal to 1. And also in the last one z is equal to 1. Z equal to 1. So 3 equations we got using these two. This is 1, 2, 3 multiple equation numbers, and using second and third in the first equation we get the value of x. Okay. Now substituting y is equal to 1 and z is equal to 1 in first equation we get x minus 1 plus 2 equal to 2. This is for 2 minus 1 is 1. X equal to 2 minus 1. Therefore x is equal to 1. So our solution set is x comma y comma z is equal to x is what 1 comma 1, y z all the values are 1. So we put x y z equal to 1 comma 1. Let us see fourth sum in the first Roman letter. Listen, the three equations are given. So write the given equation one time. That is 2x minus y plus z equal to 2. 6x minus 3y plus 3z equal to 6. And 4x minus 2y plus 2z equal to 4. Okay. The number of unknowns are what? X, y, z. Number of unknowns is 3. Number of unknowns is 3. First write the matrix form. Matrix form. Our matrix form is 2 minus 1 1, 6 minus 3 3, 4 minus 2 2 into x, y and z is equal to 2 6 4. So this is our form. Ax equal to b, where A is the coefficient of matrix 2 minus 1 1, 6 minus 3 3, 4 minus 2 2, and x is x y z, and b is equal to 2 6 4. Okay. Now write the augmented matrix. Augmented matrix is A slash B equal to, first write A, 2 minus 1 1, 6 minus 3 3, 4 minus 2 2 slash 2 6 4. Okay, keep the first element as it is. Okay, இது மூணு மட்டும் நம்ம 0 மாற்றணும். அதாவது the leading element below இருக்கக்கூடிய element மட்டும் 0 0 மாத்த போறோம். For that we need two elementary transformation, that is R2 gives R2 minus, this is 6 and this is 2. If you multiply 3 we get 6 here. So 3 into R1. Similarly R3 gives out R3 minus 2 times R1. So if you multiply 2 we get 4. So 2 times R1 போடுறீங்க, இங்க 3 times R1. So now we get, listen, the change is only in R2 and R3. So there is no change in R1. So write R1 as it is. In R2, listen, R2 R2 la irundhu 3 R1 minus பண்ணனும். First multiply this by 3 times. So this becomes 3 ஆல multiply பண்ணும்போது 6 minus 3 3. Multiply பண்ணியாச்சு. Now subtract from R2 la irundhu subtract பண்ணனும். 6 minus 6 0, minus 3 plus 3 0, 3 minus 3 0, and 6 here also we get 6. 6 minus 6 0. Okay. And similarly next R3 minus 2 R1. R1 and 2 ஆல multiply பண்ண போறோம். If you multiply this by 2 we get 4 minus 2 2 4. Now subtract from R3 we get 4 minus 4 0, minus 2 plus 2. இது minus பண்ணும்போது plus 2 ஆகும். Minus 2 plus 2 0, 2 minus 2 0, then 4 minus 4 0. Okay, so we get 2 0 rows. we get only one non-zero row. Only one non-zero row means its rank is 1. So we get only one non-trivial solution. So non-trivial solution 1 வந்தது அப்படினா நம்ம என்ன பண்ணனும்? rank 1 வந்ததுனா நம்ம ரெண்டு assumption பண்ணனும். Z equal to t and y is equal to x. Okay. And listen, first consider first 3 columns. First 3 columns is our A, matrix A. In the matrix A, you 2 zero rows irukku, only one non-zero row irukku. Therefore, row of A is 1 because only one non-zero row. Similarly, row of A slash B you only one non-zero row irukku. So its rank is also 1. So these two are equal, 1 and 1. But this 1 is less than 3. Our number of unknowns are kammiya irukku. So இது வந்து என்னது? Equal to means this is consistent and less than irundhuduna, that is the system has infinitely many solutions. Therefore, system is consistent and has infinitely many solutions. Infinitely many solutions. And also less than 1 and கிடைச்சிருக்கு. So 1 வந்தது அப்படினா we assume 2 parameters. So it has 2 parameter family solutions. It has 2 parameter family solution. Next we found the equations from the row echelon form. Now we write the equivalent equation. Says equivalent equation from row echelon form is for 2x minus y. First row is 2x minus y plus z equal to 2, and 2 more assumption is what? Y is equal to s and z is equal to t. So in the ரெண்டு value first equation la substitute பண்றோம். We get the value of x in terms of s and t. Okay. Using second and third, in first we get 2x minus y is equal to s ன்னு assume பண்ணிருக்கோம். So y equal to s and z equal to t equal to 2. So our 2x equal to 2 minus t plus s and x is equal to 1 by 2 into 2 minus t plus s. This is our x value. Therefore the solution set is x comma y comma z equal to x equal to what? 1 by 2 into 2 minus t plus s and y is s and z is t. This is our solution. Understood this? Okay, do the homework the same method and send by 5 p.m. Thank you, students.